Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome po uli sa ating Traders Plus YouTube channel. And this video now, we'll talk more about yung pinaka-basic ng technical analysis. Yung paghanap ng support and resistance at paano ba tayo magte-trade gamit yung mga support and resistance levels. Okay, so kung inyo pong gusto yung ating mga na-upload na video, kindly subscribe to our channel. And also, paki-like ang ating mga video and mag-comment down below po. So itong technical analysis na pag-uusapan natin ay applicable both sa stock market and the forex market. At yung paghanap ng support and resistance is a very important aspect ng technical analysis. Okay, so let me just share some few of my slides. Okay. So as again, pag-usapan natin technical analysis pero focus tayo sa trading, the support, and resistance. So by definition, ang technical analysis ay study ng market price action na ang gamit natin ay charts. So ang purpose is to try to predict or forecast yung future price trends. So tumitingin tayo dun sa past na galaw and then we are anticipating ano kaya yung magiging galaw in the future. Wala po ditong holy grail, no? Hindi natin masasabi na guaranteed, may assurance tayo na yun nga yung igagalaw. Okay? Because the market is still unpredictable. However, just like earthquake, just like bad weather, tinatry natin i-forecast pa rin kahit na hindi naman natin talaga masasabi kung kailan pwedeng lumindol, kailan pwedeng bumagyo, kailan pwedeng pumutok ang mga bulkan. Okay? But it is very important that we exert effort trying to predict this because yung preparation natin is dependent, no, doon sa result ng ating mga analysis. So ganun din sa trading. Okay? Kaya po tayo merong technical analysis. And this is best for short term, more for trading and not into investing dahil yung investing long term po yon. Perhaps you might be looking at some other analysis such as fundamental, okay, or you can look at sentiment analysis also. Okay, but this time we're based on the price action. So may mga key principles ang ating technical analysis. Una, market action discounts everything. Pangalawa, prices are moving in trends. Okay? So it's not a straight line move. It's more like zigzags. And third is history tends to repeat itself. Okay. So doon sa market action discounts everything. Sinasabi lang naman dyan na yung galaw nung price already reflects yung mga other factors like economic, political, social, psychological, pati yung mga hidden fundamentals na sinasabi. So it's more on what over why. Ano ibig sabihin ng what over why? What is more of the direction? What is happening? No? It's not why is it happening. You don't really bother yourself na alamin why is it moving up? Na? Why is it moving down? Ang importante, nakikita mo kung paakyat pababa yan. And then, may sinasabi rin tayo na law of demand and supply dito. So, prices, no? If there is a greater, okay, demand than supply, then the price is expected to rise. Conversely, kapag naman prices are falling, it means that there is a greater supply kesa sa demand. Okay, now, based on our expectations, by the rumor, okay, tapos sell on news or sell the fact. So kapag may confirmations na, okay, yung mga rumors, that's the time we get out of our trades. So ano naman yung pangalawang principle? Prices are moving in. So may tatlong trends na dapat nating mapag-aralan. Una ay yung uptrend, yung sideway, at yung downtrend. Okay. So pag sinabi natin na uptrend at saka downtrend, Okay? Yung uptrend and yung downtrend, ito yung tinatawag natin na trending. Okay? Trending yan. Kapag naman sideways, ito naman yung tinatawag natin na ranging kasi meron siyang range. Okay, so paano ba natin makikilala yung trend? Madali lang. Titingnan natin yung tinatawag natin ng mga highs and lows, no? Highs at saka yung lows natin. Or pwede rin natin tawagin yan na tops and bottom or bottoms. Okay? So equivalent lang yung mga words na yon. Ngayon, if you will observe na there is a higher high and higher low at the same time, or dito naman lower high, lower low. Okay? Ito naman equal yung high o equal yung mga tops, equal yung low. So dito, madali nating masabi kung meron ba tayong uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. So dito muna tayo sa uptrend. So sa uptrend, characterized by higher high and higher low. Okay, so meron kang uptrend. This is expected to continue until it ends or reverses. What can possibly signal you na magre-reverse yan? Kung naputol na yung higher high or yung higher low mo. So, halimbawa, ito yung previous high, tapos ito, bumagsak dito. So, ngayon, you have a lower high. Okay? Ibig sabihin, the trend is weakening. Humihina na yung uptrend mo. Now, it's not automatic reversal. Depende kasi kung magbe-break ba siya dito at magkakaroon ng lower low. Yan. Because if it is not a reversal, pwede naman siyang shift to sideways or ranging. So dito, nagpapantay yung extreme high, nagpapantay yung extreme low, o extreme tops and extreme bottoms. Therefore, dito meron kang sideways move or ranging. Now, kapag naman lower tops o lower high, tapos lower bottoms or lower lows, meron ka namang downtrend. At paano mo rin malalaman kung humihina na yung trend? Kung naputol na yung sequence ng lower low. Tulad dito, halimbawa, ito yung nagkaroon ng up candle dito o green, then your low here is higher than the previous low. Okay? So, yun ay signs ng pag-weaken ng trend. Now, the next principle is that history tends to repeat itself. So, may mga patterns na tinitingnan tayo that appeared in the past and pwede mo rin siyang maging reference na should this pattern appear again, the same result that came after appearance of the pattern can happen again or may happen again, okay, in the future. So, identifiable patterns can predict similar future patterns. Okay. Now, pag-aralan natin ang chart. So, usually, kapag nakakita kayo ng line lang, ito ang tinatawag na line chart. At ang nandiyan ay plot of closing prices. However, hindi tayo nagte-trade based on line charts because intraday o within the day, may movement yung price. Kumagalaw yun. Di ba? Within the minute, within the hour, ganyan. So, nire-record natin yung naging intraday move at tinatranslate natin either to a bar or a candle. Okay? So, halimbawa, the market opened at ito yung first price match. So, ito yung open price. Umakyat, nakarating hanggang doon. Bumaba, nakarating hanggang dito. Umakyat, tapos nagsara. Okay? So ngayon, pag translate natin, ito yung kanyang open price, ito yung high, ito yung low, at ito yung close. Okay? You actually don't need color coding kapag bar Kasi alam mo agad na yung nasa kaliwa na horizontal line, yun yung open. At yung nasa kanan, yun yung close. So paano mo malalaman kung bullish o bearish yung naging galaw? Kung from open to close tumaas, bullish yung candle mo. Pero kung anong nangyari, ang itsura ng candle ay ganito, o bar pala, sorry. Kung yung bar mo ay nag-open, nagkaroon ng high and low, and then nag-close. This is a bearish bar. Okay? So bakit bearish? Because from open to close, bumaba siya. Okay? Now, kung i-translate ito sa candle, ganito lang. Kailangan mong isara as in a rectangular form yung open at close. The high and low remains to be where it is. However, pag kinlose mo na yan ng ganyan, hindi mo malalaman kung bullish o bearish unless lalagyan mo ng shade. May color coding ka o legend. So, halimbawa, kapag ito ay green, ibig sabihin, from open to close, tumaas yan. That's a bullish candle. Okay? From a bullish bar. Now, if your bar looks more like this, nag-open, nag-high and low, and then nag-close dito. Okay? So again, if itatranslate ko ito sa candle, isasara ko yung open and close. But for me to know kung ito ay bullish o bearish, I need color coding. Yan. Okay? So, na alam mo na from open to close, bumagsak yung price. Ngayon, yung height ng high and low o yung haba nila, pwedeng maiksi, pwedeng mahaba, depende sa naging action in the market. Okay. So again, ito yung intraday's move. And then, translate to OHLC or bar. Ibig sabihin ng OHLC, open, high, low, and close. Okay. Then, candle. So, i-reverse natin. Bumagsak yung price from open to close. So, ayan yung open, high, low, close niya o bar. Then, it will be a red candle interpretation. Now, let's go to the subject matter, support and resistance. So, kapag may price action, i-capture mo lahat ng bottom, yun ang tinatawag natin na support. Okay? So, that's how you find your support. Okay. Conversely, kapag naman i-connect mo yung extreme highs, yun ang resistance. Okay. Ngayon, panoorin nyo ano nagiging reaction ng price once it hits either support and resistance. So dito, when the price hits the support, it goes up. Okay? Nagbabounce. When the price hits the resistance, it goes down. Nare-reject doon. Okay? So yan ang characteristic ng support and resistance. The support will act like a floor or sahig. Yung resistance is like ceiling or bubong. Pwede bang mabasag yan? Yes. Ito yung tinatawag na breakdown or breakout. Okay? Either a breakout or a breakdown. So, what happens kapag nagkaroon ng breakout or breakdown? Nagkakaroon usually ng tinatawag na role reversal ng support and resistance. So, dito sa kaliwa, the support was broken. Ito yung pag-break niyan. Ito usually, after a break, nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na revisit to retest the broken level and then confirmation. Okay? So again, nandito yung retest. Okay? So dito yung break. Letter B, break. Na? O BRK, break. Ito naman yung retest. Okay? At nandito naman yung confirmation. Yan. So yung confirmation, as again, ito yung break, retest. Pag na-reject, yun ang confirmation mo. Okay? So dito, safe na papasok kung magse-sell ka. That's for the Forex. Kasi sa atin sa stock market right now, for retail traders, buy low, sell high lang tayo. Okay? Now, doon tayo sa breakout. So ito yung resistance, proven, no? Na nagre-reject ng price. However, dito binasag yan. So ito yung break. Inaasahan mo magkakaroon niya ng retest o revisit, and then pag na-reject na dito, that's your confirmation. So ito yung mga pwedeng buy on breakout or buy on retest, di ba? O buy on confirmation. Yan. So the old support here that was broken will become the new resistance. Okay. Same as here, the old resistance will now become the new support. So ito yung tinatawag natin na role reversal. Okay, let me illustrate this looking at the chart ng ating PSEI. Okay, o yung Philippine Stock Exchange Composite Index. So let me share. Looking at the trading view from my favorite broker, First Metro Sec. Okay. So, titingnan natin itong PSEI. May makikita tayo rito na horizontal line. Let me just plot it here. Kapalan natin konti. Okay. Change the color to a more visible one, blue one. Okay. So, dito makikita ninyo na naging resistance yan at this area. Okay? Makikita ba yung point of rejection? Yes, ito. Yan. Okay. Dito rin, may area na yan. And then, nabasag siya. Nabasag. No? So, nagkaroon dito ng break at this area here. Break what? Breakout. No? It's a breakout. Ayun, dito, breakout. Yan. So, lumipad. Pero nag-revisit siya. Okay? So, nagkaroon ng retest. Okay? This, at this level here. At nagkaroon ng confirmation. Kasi bakit? Ayun, nabasag. Nag-bounce. Ha? Proving that now, nagkaroon ng shift sa role. Nag-reverse. The resistance here, the same level, now became a support. So right now, this is headed to the support. Either it bounces here or it breaks it. Walang assurance yun. Okay? Pero sa next question there, nasan kaya yung next support? Probably dito. Di ba? So baka dito ka maghanap ng support. Ngayon, kung i-check mo to, yung 6.2, meron din bang other level doon? Meron. Ayan, no? This area here. Yan. Tapos, resistance dito. Di ba? So, support siya rito, resistance doon. Tapos, support dito. Okay? So, may mga role reversals tayong nakikita. Yan ang pagtingin ng mga support and resistance na nagkakaroon ng role reversal. Okay, so balik tayo sa ating slide. Okay. Usually kapag nagpa-plot ka ng support, wag yung dulo lang lagi ng mga bodies of the candle. Isasama nyo rin yung low o yung high niya o yung tawag natin yung wick, no, ng candle. Wick or yung shadows. Significant pa rin kasi yon dahil meron tayong pwedeng makakita ng mga rejections based dun sa mga dulo ng mga shadows ng candle. For example, dito, hindi ko dinodrawing yung support and resistance sa line, but a box. Sakop yan. Yan, sakop yan ganyan. Okay? Madali kasing tingnan kung line chart, no? Kaso nga, nagtitrade tayo using candles. Example, ito, mukhang basag yung line. But based probably on some of the candles way back there, makikita mo na pwede mong kunin yung buong area as a support. Therefore, the support is not a line but a zone. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if the price keeps on moving within the zone, you are not to react differently. So, parang, okay, gumagalaw yan dyan, support pa rin yan. Hindi mo tatawagin na basag na yung support. No? It is in the support zone. Okay? In essence, dahil dyan, maiwasan mo na mag-sell ka kaagad na tulad yan, nag-bounce. No? So, kung inakala mo na break, magkakamali ka ng desisyon. Okay. Then, yung mga support and resistance, may mga strength. Pwedeng minor, pwedeng major. So, kailan nagiging major or minor? Kung bihira lang yan na test, no? O bihira lang yung incident na nag-reject, minor lang. So, once naging resistance, binalikan dito, pak, basag. No? Naging resistance, nag-hold dito, pero nung bumalik dito, wala, basag. Okay? Now, this support is also minor, therefore, madali lang din siyang binabasag. But areas like this na maraming beses siyang nasubukan are strong areas. Same as here, it's a major resistance because it had been tested so many times here. Okay? Dito hanggang dun. Yan. So talagang resistance nga yan. So how do you draw the trend lines? Ang kinakapture mo sa uptrend, yung mga bottoms. Okay? Ang kinakapture mo sa downtrend, yung mga tops. Then kapag nagkaroon ng breaching of the trend line, that can signify a reversal. Okay? So pag ito, umangat dito, nilagpasan tong trend line mo, signs of reversal. Like these that are drawn down below. Ito, uptrend line. Yan. Nakita nyo, basag. Okay? Basag doon. So now you have a downtrend. Okay? Nung dinerecho mo yung downtrend, nandito ngayon yung break. Ayan. Nag-break yan, no? So, na-breach. Then, nagkaroon tayo ng sideways. Binasag dito. Pero, short-lived lang, no? Na biglang nag-uptrend. Okay? So, if I'm going to draw the uptrend line, saan nabasag? Dito. Okay? Now you have a downtrend. Nabasag na ba yung downtrend? Yes. Pag kinonect mo yan, the downtrend was broken at this area here. Now, if I am going to draw the recent trend, which is an obvious uptrend, no? Uptrend yan. Basag na ba yan? Not yet. Kasi wala pa tayong nakikitang kandila na lumalabas doon. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nag-hold o respected pa yung uptrend. Now, it can be also somewhat like a support and resistance pero channel. Okay? Ibig sabihin, upward or downward, no? Naka-diagonal, pero this will still serve like a support and this will serve as a resistance. Support, resistance. Okay. So obviously, dito buy low, sell high ka. Okay, dito short ka, then cover. Pero may mga tinatawag tayong counter trend traders. So kahit sa stock market na downtrend, nagkakaroon ng opportunity ng buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Although mahirap yung gawin, mahirap i-timing, okay? Pero posible pa rin. Yan yung tinatawag na counter trend trading. So you are in the downtrend, pero naka-buy sell ka. Buy sell, buy sell, buy sell. Okay? So how to trade the support and resistance. We have two strategies na i-discuss ko. One, trade the bounce. The other one is trade the break. Okay. Now, trading the bounce, ganito. Nag-approach yung price doon sa support zone mo. Okay? The idea is do not buy right away. Bakit? You are not sure kung yung pag-approach sa support will hold. If the support will hold, you don't know. Okay? So you have to wait for a confirmation. Pag nag-bounce, tsaka ka mag-e-enter. Now, if that happens, I know na parang nasasayangan ka dito, hayaan mo na yan. It's a lost opportunity probably, no? Parang sana mas maaga kang pumili, pero you are safer dahil nagkaroon ka ng confirmation, therefore stronger yung probability mo na talagang magko-continue paakyat. Okay? And ideally, this area should be your safe zone, kaya your stop loss should be below the area. Okay? So wag kang mag-SL o cut loss dito sa area na yan. Wag dyan. Should be there. Okay. Now, halimbawa sa downtrend, this is an observed trend line. The price touch the resistance trend line. Do not sell right away. You have to wait for a confirmation at saka ka mag-enter ng sell. Okay? And then, above the trend line, that's where you will place your stop loss. Make sure it's beyond this point. Okay? Para bibigyan mo ng breathing room yung price. Dito rin, breathing room niya yan. May leg room ka bago yung stop loss. Okay. The other is trade the break. So trading the break, we have two ways. One is an aggressive way. Strike while the iron is hot. So nabasag dito, entry ka na. Sasabayan mo yung momentum niya pababa. Ganon. Sell ka na. Pero above the broken support, which might turn as a resistance, will be your stop loss. Now, another way to trade breaks is to trade it conservatively. So dito, ito yung point of break, but you don't react right away. Huwag ka mag-buy o huwag ka mag-sell kapag nagkaroon ng breaks. All you have to do is observe, wait, no? Hanggang matapos siya, bumalik, at ito yung inantay mo, yung pullback. Pero again, nung nag-touch siya dito sa broken level, hindi ka pa rin magre-react ng trade. Kailangan mo ng confirmation. Okay? You need confirmation. So kapag na-reject na, okay, yan na, nag-bounce na, no? Na-reject na dito. Yun yung sell entry mo. Okay? That's the time na pwede ka nang mag-execute. Balik na rin natin. So, halimbawa, sa uptrend, ito yung support, ito yung resistance, okay? So, gumalaw, no? Makyat, bumaba, makyat, bumaba, nabasag. Okay? Hindi muna tayo magbabay. Okay? Antayin natin na yung price action, i-retest o i-revisit to, yan na, sumayad na, magbabay na, not yet. Pag nag-bounce, tsaka na ngayon magbabay. Okay? And the stop loss should be below this level here. Okay? So itong area to is your safe zone. Okay? It can be a missed opportunity for buying early, pero you have higher probability kasi nag-antay mo yung confirmation. Okay, I hope naging malinaw itong discussion na to. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to our video or for viewing us. Sana po may natutunan kayo. At kung sakali pong gusto niyo pa ng mas maraming topic na i-cover natin dito, comment down below lang kung ano yung gusto ninyo. And ipe-prepare ko yung video para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. Happy trading. Goodbye.